Greetings, it is I, Gwyn, welcoming you to another episode. But first, just a quick and important update. Recently I discovered that someone else is sharing a similar name as my channel. I know I made sure that the name without a boat is not taken, but I have never been so wrong in all my life.
I've never been so wrong in all my life.
But anyways, it is what it is. Now moving on, I have decided to change my identity here to a name that will truly define the purpose of this channel. So friends, I welcome you once again to Threadfish TV, and I hope you, my fellow wanderers, arm in arm with the tides, will still share with me this journey as we explore New Zealand, one trail and one cherished fishing spot at a time. Now, with renewed purpose, let us venture on to our first location. We are on our way to Tawharanui Regional Park. We'll do a 9-kilometer trail there. We'll try to fish in between or perhaps afterwards, but either way, that is the plan. We're on our way to pick up Young first because he'll also be joining us today. And yeah, this will be fun, and I hope we get to catch something. Let's go! Right, we're here in Tawharanui Peninsula. Tawharanui Regional Park. Din din din. So this is actually a marine reserve. So the north part of Tawharanui is a marine reserve. So that's the beach part. We're going, and the southern part where we can fish. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we'll do the Northcoast trail. In the hills of New Zealand, nested along the northeastern coast, lies a hidden gem. This marvelous preserve, with its captivating outline, rich history, and breathtaking trails, invite both locals and travelers to immerse themselves in its natural wonders. Tawharanui Regional Park, spanning over hundreds of hectares, offers a vibrant tapestry of landscapes that range from lush forests to expansive golden beaches. As one steps onto the trailhead, an air of mystery and tranquility envelops the senses, promising an adventure filled with discoveries of both past and present. park's history traces back to the late 1800s when European settlers first arrived in the area. The rugged landscape, with its rolling hills and fertile soil, provided an ideal setting for farming. Even today, remnants of this agricultural heritage can be witnessed in the form of working farms and grazing cattle that dot the expansive vistas. As hikers delve deeper into the park, following the meandering paths, they become immersed in a wonderland of nature's beauty. The trail winds through the flourishing forest where manuka trees tower overhead, forming a lush green canopy. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting ethereal patterns on the floor, illuminating the way forward. Upon reaching the park's elevated sections, the true magnificence of Tawharanui unveils. The panoramic views from these vantage points mesmerize all who pause to take them in. The small hills with gentle slopes, perfectly sculpted by nature, appear to stretch endlessly, inviting admiration and contemplation. It's as if time itself slows down, allowing visitors to drink in the serenity of the surroundings. Beyond the hills, the ocean horizon glistens, blending seamlessly with the sky. The rugged coastline traces the edge of the park, offering glimpses of secluded beaches where the sound of crashing waves lulls the soul. Seabirds soar gracefully above, their calls echoing into the breeze, while a sense of peaceful surrender to nature takes hold. Throughout the park, hiking trails of varying lengths and difficulty levels reveal themselves, catering to every adventurer's desire. From gentle strolls through meadows alive with wildflowers, to more arduous treks that lead to dramatic cliff edges, this place offers something for all nature enthusiasts. But it is the symbiotic harmony of nature and agriculture that truly sets Tawharanui apart. As hikers traverse the trails, they encounter working farms where cattle graze peacefully alongside the hills. This unique blend of pastoral charm and natural grandeur creates a decoration of rural beauty that captivates the heart. This park is more than just a trail. It's a sanctuary where history, nature, and farming intertwine. It whispers stories of the past, invites exploration of the present, and promises endless adventures for those who seek solace among its contours. With each visit, Tawharanui invites us to reconnect with the land, appreciate its bounties, and surrender to the majesty of New Zealand's untamed beauty. So we are here.
I'm going this way, is it?
Yeah.
Like this.
All right. How do you find the spot, Young?
Okay. I think
So-
we have to...
Finally. After 5 kilometers, 6. You go first. Not really a good spot. Lots of rocks. So we'll move further on there. Let's go. Young for fishing. I think yeah, it's slippery here though. Okay, first cast after hours of walking. Finally, it doesn't look promising, but we've got no other choice. Go, my friend! Right, we'll see. There you go. Not bad. Not even 5 minutes. Okay. So we have already put one in. Yeah, this trip, it's nothing that we were expecting. So yeah, we just settled here. It's not really a good spot, but there's bites. There's bites, and it stopped. Darn it! Yeah. Yes. Boy, what's this? What's this? Come here, my fish. Come here, my friend. Yeah. Small one. I don't feel any fight. Let's see. No? Snapper. First catch. Baby snapper. Stuck there for a while, my friend. I'll let you go now. Better, snapper. I know snowman. Let's see. Oh, legal size. Okay. Snapper. Alright, fishing report. So far nothing decent yet. Only caught like one 30cm snapper. This spot is quite tricky to fish on. A lot of rocks and high chance of your gears getting stuck under the rocks. So yeah, Young already lost one gear. Yeah. Maybe an hour more to go and then we'll be on our way. See ya! Oh shit. You riffed me again. It's still on. Come on. It's still on. Yes. What are you? Snapper? Decent one? Small snapper again. Ay. Oh no. Go tell your friends. It was a long walk going up. We're done with fishing, and what can you say, Young? Huh? What can you say about the fishing?
Yeah.
Not good?
Damn.
Alright, so back to the trail. I'm not sure how many kilometers more to go. I think 1 or 1.5. So yeah, we just continue with the trail, and that's it. See you in a while. Alright, so we made it. We are back here, and I think this is Anchor Bay. Tawharanui, this one's Anchor Bay. Really good spot for surfing, but today I think the waves are big, wind is picking up. Lucky we're just minutes away from the car park, but yeah, not good fishing session. I caught one 30cm snapper. I placed it in the pool, and then when I turned around, it's gone. There's like a hole underneath, and it got away. So in other words, I'm coming home empty-handed. So yeah, we'll do better next time. See ya.